the Prithvi Festival starts today after a gap of 2 years. It's exciting.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. नसीर साहब तो बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, कमाल के एक्टर. मैंने पहली बार उन्हें स्टेज पे देखा, मौका मिला और बहुत अच्छा लगा. और दूसरे जो एक्टर थे वो भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया. It was an amazing experience and I was just happy to actually be here. I remember Shashi Kapoor Sahab being so proud of Prithvi Theatre with Shakespeare Walas, and it's a strong family responsibility and tradition that the Kapoors have kept up alongside their work in cinema. It's also been this beautiful theatre. I don't know if a lot of people have seen it inside. It's one of the most intimate and beautiful places. And it was a great and very special experience.
बहुत ही बढ़िया था इतने सालों बाद पृथ्वी थिएटर में आना, also क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली से it's so closely related. I think it's an overwhelming experience. And जो नसीर भाई और रजत जी ने काम किया, I think it was absolutely spectacular. I think Saif और me when we were watching the play, for the first time I felt I wasn't an actor. I've never seen such performances. And हम लोग सोचते कि बड़े पर्दे पर हम लोग 10-10 टेक देते हैं, यहाँ रीटेक नहीं होता है और इतना बढ़िया काम. I mean, it makes us truly feel small, but I'm really proud to belong to a family that is so creative.
It was an absolute delight. Always watching Naseer on stage, I feel that he's completely unmatchable.
मैं जब ऑडियंस में बैठी थी और क्रेडिट्स पढ़े जा रहे थे और मैंने रणदीप हुडा का नाम सुना एज द अडैप्टर ऑफ दिस प्ले, आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड एंड आई हैव टू से कि ये एक बहुत ही मुश्किल मुद्दा है. इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बहुत सारे इंटरप्रिटेशंस हम देख चुके हैं, लेकिन जिस खूबसूरती से ये मुद्दे को इस प्ले ने हैंडल किया है और जो परफॉर्मेंसेस आपको देखने को मिलते हैं नसीर साहब और रजत कपूर के, वाकई में जितनी भी मैं तारीफ़ करूं कम पड़ जाएगी.
I had a great time. In fact, I always like coming to Prithvi. I love the experience of watching a play in Prithvi क्योंकि इतना intimate होता है and you're so close to the actors, and then the actors are so powerful like Naseer Sahab and Rajat. And the script was so powerful. Really, I think it resonated with all of us as an audience.
It's always wonderful to come back to Prithvi. And I have this time not been away so long. Last year we didn't have a festival, which is a bit of a sad thing. But all kudos to Kunal for this year organizing it again. It's not an easy job getting together such a large number of plays. And what is so wonderful is that there is such a body of work to choose from. And everyone calls Delhi the cultural city of the country, but that's wrong. I think any evening in Bombay, you can find 20 plays to choose from, either in Hindi or in English or in Gujarati or in Marathi. Delhi, you go and you search the papers and you don't find a single one.
Nothing is like old wine, gets better and better with age.
हमारा प्ले है कैफ़ी और मैं, जो जावेद अख्तर ने लिखा है, और मेरे लिए ये सिर्फ एक प्ले नहीं है, हालांकि हाउसफुल हो चुका है. हमने इसके काफ़ी शोज़ किए हैं पूरी दुनिया में. ये मेरे माताजी और पिताजी की कहानी है, कैफ़ी और शौकत की. इसमें जावेद अख्तर जो हैं मेरे पिताजी कैफ़ी आज़मी का रोल अदा करते हैं और मैं अपनी मम्मी शौकत कैफ़ी का. लेकिन इसमें हर इंसान के लिए कुछ न कुछ है.
It was coincidental because I started writing this play because I wanted to do it, but then Naseer bhai thought that I was too young for it and I just got the writer's credit. After watching the play over a period of time, I feel very left out, but he was gracious enough to give me the credit for writing or adapting, I should say. I don't think that this is a very difficult play. I mean, it was about USA and USSR during the Cold War, and when I read it, I felt that it can be adapted to an India-Pakistan situation.
yes, Randeep and Faisal have adapted the play. Ratna has directed it, and I feel very happy and proud that I am also a part of it.